Hi, this is Will Cook with the Will Cook Group. Welcome back to my video blog. Today we're going to answer the question, why are so many buyers canceling real estate deals? In a lot of markets, about 30% of real estate transactions that go into escrow end up canceling. And since listings with canceled deals often sell for less money, what can you do to minimize the chances of your buyer flaking out? Well, as an experienced agent, I've dealt with uncertain buyers before. That's why today I'm going to share with you why buyers are leaving deals in this market and explain how to stop the buyer from canceling before it happens. The first common reason is buyer's remorse. The market is definitely slower than it used to be, but that doesn't mean that buyers aren't feeling the pressure to make decisions quickly. Due to market competition, interest rates, economic news, and a ton of other issues, a lot of buyers want to finalize the deal as soon as possible. As a result, many of them jump into deals before they're really ready. So to prevent this, get your agent to vet the potential buyers, as well as vet their agent. If they're pre-approved or they can prove that they can purchase the house with cash, and then they have a strong motivation to either move or purchase a second home, then they're going to be much more likely to follow through with the closing. The second reason buyers cancel is due to inspection issues. In fact, inspection issues are the #1 reasons why real estate transactions fall apart. A buyer might absolutely fall in love with your home and have full intentions of following through with the sale, only to have problems come up after the inspection issues that give them cold feet. This is especially true in our current market, where buyers don't have a ton of free extra cash to deal with repairs due to the higher interest rates or, the higher prices of homes requiring higher down payment amounts. So to prevent inspection problems from ruining the perfect deal, I'd strongly suggest you do a pre-listing inspection. This way you have an understanding of what's going on with your home and you have an opportunity to address the issues. Or at a minimum, share this home inspection report with a buyer before receiving an offer so you have more leverage during the negotiations. And the third reason buyers cancel is drawn out negotiations. The longer you spend negotiating, the more chances you give your buyer to walk. In my experience, most drawn out negotiations are the result of appraisals coming in lower than expected, which will change the relationship of the buyer with their lender or bank. To prevent these issues, you need to work with your agent to find the perfect price that will net you the most amount of money without causing appraisal issues. Plus, your agent should be able to defend your price to an appraiser using the research that they did to find your home's value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or a few years down the road, it pays to plan ahead. Please feel free to reach out to me to discuss your unique situation and how we can position your home for a solid sale. Also, if you have any other real estate related topics or questions that I can answer, please feel free to reach out with those as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.